So we're back again, part 2, Geometry Dash Challenge. So when I die, you already know, more than 10 times I have to give a perm in black splits. So I started off with flame, 2 ice, so I'm gonna do a bonus with, I'll give a perm like when I die, or win, I don't know. And by the way, when I win, I don't have to give any perm. But still, no, please like and subscribe, because we're getting so close to 3K subs. Okay, don't make me rage out. Don't make me rage out. Don't make me rage out. Buk-buk ko lang. Lubot na mo drop. By the way, I know to speak English and Filipino. Pero kaning dulaan eh. Di palagot ko. Nando kalbo. Oh, salamat Lord. Please Lord. Ano ang buong resistensya? Tulion ko ning dulaan.
Puzzles can only be solved by either a genius or a psychopath. They express your intelligence.
Munang kalagutan ako ba? Kasi balik to guys, sorry sa interruption. Buta lang guys. Sorry juga kayo guys. Oh, balo. 9. If I die this last time, I have to do the phone right. If someone wins the phone cocoon, okay, I'm giving it to my friend named Giga Chad. So, Giga Chad, you're gonna be waking up with a perm light. So dry out. I'ma be playing this next time. And if you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe. Bye guys. Bye.